Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. We're doing a duct job today in Folsom, Missouri for a client who booked 2 weeks ago. And it's just our basic minimum of $575. And we'll take care of that today. Stay tuned for results. And as always, thanks for watching. Alright guys, this is the return cavity, as you guys can see, very dirty. This is the return main truck line, which is the dirtiest. Stay tuned. Alright guys, you open up the end cap of the return. Remember, the turn is the dirtiest trunk line you got. Make sure you call AO Cleaning and take care of your HVAC system. Again, we do all-inclusive where we take care of all of your vents, returns, your main trunk lines, and then we sanitize your system when completed. So yeah guys, definitely needed this. This homeowner does suffer from allergies. That was the main reason behind it. Plus it hasn't been done in a few years. And we're going to get her taken care of. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Alright guys, like new, you can see all that beautiful stainless steel. This is why it's important to get your HVAC clean, guys. Breathe better air. Call AO Clean today. We'll be glad you did. Happy Friday. All right, guys, this is the ply. You can see all kinds of yummy stuff in there. See all that? We're gonna take care of that today. It's the air you're breathing in. Crazy, huh? Stay tuned. All right, guys, good to go. Let's go. Hey, yo.